Hi guys, so today I have an IKEA haul. My last video was an IKEA shop with me video. It was so much fun. My husband and I, we took you guys around the whole entire store shopping, showed you a lot of furniture, the marketplace, pretty much everything. They had a lot of really great new stuff too since the last time I had been there. So I'll have that video linked down below in the description box if you guys haven't checked it out. Also, I want to say about a year ago, I did a whole IKEA shopping series on my channel where we focused on a lot of the different sections. So like one video is just like bedroom furniture or like the office furniture, stuff like that. So I will have that playlist linked down below as well, because as we were there, I noticed a lot of the things have stayed the same since then, especially in the showroom area. So anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbing. I'm gonna apologize for my voice really quick. It's been like this for about 3 weeks, just kind of nasally. At first I thought I had a cold, and no, I'm thinking I've just developed allergies, because it's like this every day now. So I apologize, just want to throw that out there, because in all my recent videos my voice is like very stuffed up and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this haul. I'll try to have everything linked down below for you guys. Let's go ahead and get started. This is probably my favorite thing I ended up getting from IKEA. This was what I had in mind to buy as soon as I went through the doors of IKEA. So it pops out like this, and this is why I couldn't find it, because if you guys saw in the shop with me portion, it was all folded down and I just thought that was a different basket. So this is what it looks like, super cute. I see these baskets everywhere on Pinterest, Instagram. I don't know if they're necessarily from IKEA. I see them at a lot of different stores as well, but this one was very portable. I don't remember the exact price, but like I said, I'll try to have everything linked down below and you guys can check out the price. My plans for this are to put like maybe some blankets in it or possibly a plant. I've kind of got a plant obsession right now, which is kind of why I ended up purchasing a lot of planters while I was there. I didn't actually get any plants while I was there, surprisingly, but they did have a pretty good selection of plants there too, so that was pretty neat. But yeah, so this is kind of what the basket just looked like, so I totally overlooked it. So if you guys go to IKEA and you're looking for this basket, it may just look like this. Super cute though. Next we ended up just getting a random little bath mat. They had these in tons of different colors while we were there, but we needed a new one, and this is just a basic gray. I want to say this was like $9.99. So yeah, not much to say about that, just a bath mat. I'm going to show you guys some of the really cute planters that I ended up getting. This one, again, doesn't have a price on it, but it'll be linked down below. I want to say it was maybe like $5. It's a little cement planter, and I just thought it was so adorable. I love it so much. It just kind of looks modern and simple, and I needed planters for all my plants. They're still, a lot of them are still just in like the containers that they came in, so I can just make them look a little bit cuter with some of these planters. A lot of planters are pretty expensive if you get them at Target. Oh my goodness, Target's planters are very expensive. They're very, very adorable, but they're kind of expensive. So if you can get yourself to an IKEA, they have a ton of them there. But yeah, I just really liked how small this one is and the color and everything. I believe this one came in other sizes as well. And then I ended up getting a couple terracotta plants. This small one right here. And I like that it has a little tray for the bottom as well. It does have a hole in the bottom, which is really nice. So I got this small one, and then I ended up getting a larger one as well. If I end up putting my plants in them today, I'll show you guys a little cutaway of what it ends up looking like. But this is the other size I got. Here they are. Here's the difference between them, but just really nice. Basic. I know they were affordable, but yeah, I was pretty excited about those. And then staying on the topic of plants, I ended up getting this really cute watering can. There's been a watering can at Target that I've had my eye on for a really long time. It's all gold, but I think it's like $25, maybe $30. It's a little more expensive, and it's probably about this size. This, I think, was $1.99. It's just this cream color with the gold handle. It's so cute. Like, this is the cutest watering can I've ever seen. So I think this is a little one that I'll just keep in my house when I'm watering my indoor plants. Probably not going to use it for like any outdoor plants because it is pretty small. But $1.99, like how cute is that? We're planning on putting some floating shelves near our kitchen, and I think this would just look really adorable sitting on the floating shelf, so I like that. All right, next, I showed this in the shopping video. I need to cut it out of here. This is a little cutting board. I thought this was the cutest cutting board I'd ever seen in my life, and I know I keep using Target as an example, but if you guys go to Target, cutting boards are kind of, I mean, not expensive, but they're not like $4 like this one was. How cute is this one? It's so little. I do have a wooden cutting board that I got from Target that's a little bit bigger than this, and I love it. It's sitting up in my kitchen. I'm going to set this one right in front of it. It's just going to be adorable. I love it. I just thought this was like the cutest little cutting board ever. I don't know why. I'm just kind of obsessed with it. All right, next I got 3 packs of these curtains. These are called the Tibist, I think. So I recently just got curtain rods and I needed the curtains. So we had looked for a really, really long time in the curtain section at IKEA, and I ended up settling with these ones. I think Joshua's gonna get our curtain rods up today, and if he does, I'll do a little cutaway of what these curtains look like hanging up. I really hope that they ended up working and looking really nice. In store when they were hanging up, they look really nice, but you guys obviously are not gonna be able to tell like when it's just sitting here in the package, so hopefully we can get the curtain rods up and I can show you guys, and if so, I will insert that clip right now. All right guys, so we actually got the curtain rod up and the curtains up, and I really, really love them. I think they look really good. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys just because I am facing a window, but I will try my best. These curtain rods are from Amazon. I really, really love them. We put them in the dining room as well, and the clips are from Amazon. I probably need some more, but I'll share all that stuff like in my next home haul because I ordered a lot of stuff online. So because this is such a huge window, I think we could actually use like a full another panel on each side. So next time I go to IKEA, I'm just gonna grab another panel just so it looks a little more full. But I'm gonna see if I close this, if you guys can kind of tell what it looks like a little bit more. I really like the way the clips look and everything. It hits the ground just at a great length too. I really like it. So as I get close, you guys can kind of tell it has a little bit of this pattern on it, which our dining room table has like that same pattern, so that's kind of cool that it matches. But it's a great color, matches our walls really well too. I was a little bit worried about that because our walls are pretty cool toned. It's Decorator's White by Benjamin Moore, but it actually looks really, really good. So I hope you guys can kind of tell. I know it's kind of hard facing a window, so the lighting's kind of weird, but I hope you guys get a good idea, and I'll also leave the curtain rods and the clips linked down below for you guys. But like I said, I'm going to be doing a home haul really soon, taking you guys kind of like around the house so you guys can see all of the new stuff that we've recently done. The last thing I ended up getting was this right here. You guys are probably like, what in the world is that? So this is a clothing rack. It's just a very plain white one. I don't believe it has wheels or anything on it. I do have one clothing rack right now. It's silver, it's on wheels. It just doesn't look very cute. We're more so just using it like as storage right now. But this room that I'm currently in, this is kind of turning into my office and my filming room, which is really, really nice. But I love doing clothing videos, fashion hauls, stuff like that. So I thought it would be really nice to have a little clothing rack in here. And that way, like all the clothes that I know that I want to show you or that are new, I can keep on that rack so I remember. And I just liked that it was plain and white. So hopefully Joshua will get this put together today as well, and I can do a little cutaway of this so you guys can see what it looks like all put together. I think this was really affordable as well. Maybe like $10, super cheap. Like if if you guys go to any other store, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be way more expensive than that. I know the other one that I have, the big silver one, was like $50 or $60, and it's not cute. So, but this one is actually cute. And yeah, everything in this room is white, so it'll match. I'm not putting it together just because I don't really enjoy putting IKEA items together, because sometimes it can take a while, and I know my husband will be able to do it pretty fast. All right, guys, so that is everything that I had to share with you for my IKEA haul. If you guys would like to see another shop with me video there, comment down below and let me know. Let me know if you guys want me to do something similar to what we did the last time, or if you want us to check out a different location. There were some leather chairs there that I'm feeling like we're probably gonna end up getting that I really, really liked. But yeah, there were just so many great things there. I could definitely go back and film another video. We recently just did a furniture shopping video over at West Elm too, and that was super fun. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll have that link down below. A lot of the furniture that we do want to get for our house is from West Elm. We have our dining room table from there, and we just love it so much. It's really, really nice quality. So if you guys want to check out some of the furniture that we are planning on getting, we shared that in the West Elm video. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel if you're new, or if you just haven't subscribed yet. There's also a little bell next to the subscribe button that you can click, and that way you guys will be notified anytime I post a video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video.